Ever pondered about the magic that unfolds during an ultrasound scan? Well, today we're taking a journey into this fascinating world of medical imaging. Imagine walking into a dimly lit room, the hum of the ultrasound machine filling the air. A comfortable couch awaits, and the radiologist, our guide through this journey, is ready to start the exploration. First off, they apply a cool, clear gel on the area to be scanned. This isn't just for fun. The gel acts as a conductor, allowing the ultrasound waves to travel into the body without any hindrance. Now comes the transducer, a handheld device that looks like a small microphone. This is the magic wand that transforms sound waves into images. The radiologist moves it gently across the skin, and as it glides, it sends out high-frequency sound waves. These sound waves bounce off the structures inside the body and return to the transducer. It's like an echo, whispering the tales of what's happening beneath the skin. The transducer then converts these echoes into electric signals, which the computer translates into images. But here's where things get a bit tricky. The radiologist might ask you to hold your breath. Sounds simple, right? But it's a vital step. Holding the breath keeps the abdomen still, providing a clearer, more accurate image. It's like trying to take a picture of a moving object. The result is often blurry and unclear, but when the object is still, the picture comes out sharp and detailed. It's the same with an ultrasound scan. So, when the radiologist asks to hold the breath, it's crucial to follow the instructions. It's a team effort, with the patient playing a vital role in ensuring the scan's success. Summing up, an ultrasound scan is a symphony of sound waves, echoes, and images. It starts with the application of the gel, moves on to the dance of the transducer across the skin, and ends with the creation of images that tell the story of what's happening inside the body. But remember, holding the breath when asked is a key player in this process. It's not just about following instructions, it's about aiding in the creation of clear, accurate images that can help in diagnosis and treatment. So the next time you're on the ultrasound couch, remember you're not just a patient. You're a vital part of this fascinating journey into the human body. And every breath you hold, every instruction you follow, shapes the story that the ultrasound scan tells. And that, dear listeners, is the magic and importance of an ultrasound scan.